Paul is an influent business owner that operates an accounting firm in the region of Quebec. He is presently receiving resumes from different students for the summer period. However, Paul has to make a choice. He has to create a form that groups the information acquired and build profiles that will be displayed by the means of access. Hence, he will be in a better position to choose the applicants that fit his needs the best. In addition, Paul wants to create a PowerPoint that will provide essential information about the company's ethics and operations. The PowerPoint will be given to the new employees as a manner to introduce them to the company. First, Paul opened a blank desktop database in order to compute his own data. He enters different fields that group the information related to the applicants. The new table will include first name, last name, city, state, postal code, phone number, picture, an attachment, comment, and finally a yes/no field that identifies bilingual applicants. Then, Paul needs to choose the data types related to each field. A data type determines what kind of data a field can store. Consequently, the first 6 is expressed as a short text. However, the phone number requires an input mask. An input mask sets a specific format that constrains the data to be computed. To insert a picture, the data type is an OLE object, which includes picture in the current database. In addition, the resume field requires an attachment. All the resumes received online are saved and included in a database. The comment field requires a long text. Since comment may be long, it is better not to fix a limit of characters. The bilingual field requires the yes/no type. It will eventually be displayed as a box control. Now, it is time to compute the data. When inserting a picture, Paul uses the bitmap image as the object type. The bitmap image functions with Paint, where the desired image is browsed and cropped. Then, it is added to the database. All attachments are browsed as well, inserting all resumes received from the applicants. Next, all bilingual applicants are marked with a check in the box control so as to identify who are bilingual and who is not. When Paul is done with all profiles, he saves and names the table for potential employees. Next, he creates a form with the form wizard and imported all fields in the potential employees table. He chooses the columnar layout and calls the form Potential Employees Overview. He customizes the form as he wants under the design view and opens the property sheet. He modifies the title special effect for sunken, the font size to 26, and the font weight to semi-bold. By operating different views, Paul can preview his form. Then, he returns to the design view, selects the controls, and applies the transparent border style. Now, Paul is ready to compare all the applicants. Finally, he decides to create a query that includes the first name, the last name, the city, and the bilingual field from the potential employees table. He adds a criterion that selects only the bilingual applicants. Then, Paul saves and names the query Bilingual Potential Employees. Now, it is time for Paul to create his PowerPoint. First, he uses a template named Parallax and applies a red color theme. On slide 1, he inserts the name of its company as the main title. The subtitle is written to create an hyperlink. The hyperlink links to the official website of Paul's company. On slide 2, Paul modifies the bullet to fit the accounting concept. The color is changed to green and the size is increased to 145%. On slide 3, the skills required are converted to a SmartArt graphic. The block list is modified with an intense effect and a 3D effect called Inset. Next, Paul transforms the title by emphasizing the word need. He bolds and adds shades to the text. He also converts the text written into 2 columns and inserts a clipart image that still fits the accounting concept. Finally, he adds transition to create motions in the PowerPoint. The first slide's transition is curtains, while the 3 others are fracture. Here is a small representation of Paul's presentation.